Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bulling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Got another video for you today outside. It's a gorgeous sunny day out, so we're gonna do a video on this brand new 2026 Cherokee Wolf Pup 17 SC. This is one of my favorite floor plans if it's just a couple going camping. So stats are going to pop up at the very beginning of the video here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and more content. But without further ado, let's get started. So again, this is a 17 SC. So you'll see up front, you just got your single 20-pound propane tank and then a spot for the battery in the back. Moving on over, getting a side view. This does have one slide. Lots of windows. So I have our hot water heater, outdoor shower, and then fresh and city water connection. But one thing to note on these new ones, so you will have your power jacks, your PSX ones, but the buttons stay kind of hidden down below here, almost practically connected to the jack instead of sitting anywhere up on the unit itself. So just a heads up, they are closer to the jacks themselves now. Little light, 30 amp service, wastewater holding tanks here, everything that you need to do, everything you need to know. Nice all-terrain tires. And then storage compartment number one. So you'll see kind of right here, this is actually right beneath the couch, but you do have a little bit of storage down below here, maybe for some additional blankets, road flare kits, first aid kits. You'll always find a way to maximize the storage. So moving forward, looking at the rear. So nice spare tire on the back. Backup camera already from the factory. You can see that up there. Nice window in the back for some more light. Furnace. And then coming around to the front, so you do have a large power awning with LED light strip. It's a little bit windy out today, so I don't have the awning out. If you're bringing your pets with you, you do have your leash latch on the side, and that's capable of 1,500 pounds. Nice solid steps to get on the inside. Then you'll have your driven sound system outside to crank some tunes, along with your TV attachment. Getting one more look at those nice aggressive tires. We'll have our sweet little beer fridge there. Moving on down to the large storage here, and then you also have storage inside underneath the bed, but off to the right is going to be your solar charge controller. And then for Forest River chassis here, I'm just going to hover over a little bit of this here, so you might have to zoom in, pause, and get a little bit more information on the chassis here, but just want to make sure that's in my video. So again, like I said, this is one of my favorite floor plans because, again, if it's just a couple going or anything like that, this isn't too big, this isn't too small. But you'll have your control board for everything right as you walk in, as well as your battery disconnect, your fuses, and for safety, your fire extinguisher. Moving on in. Right away, we're going to get a look at the fridge because it's the first thing staring me in the face here. But nice large fridge for a smaller unit. Definitely a large freezer. Kind of starting off in the rear here, the kitchen. With our 2-burner gas cooktop and microwave. And then some superior construction or quality construction. So I'm going to try and hover over and get a little bit of focus on that the best that I can. So feel free to pause and get a little bit more info. Lots of outlets here. So the couch being right here, so this is where that storage was on the opposite side of the slide here for a little bit more storage, like I mentioned, first aid kits, road flare kits, all the fun stuff. But you'll have charging device outlet right there. So if I'm sitting down, this is what I have. I have a large window. I have a window behind me here to let in a lot of that natural light. This is my eating spot. I'm relaxing right here. And then I can have my TV hookups alongside the wall and have that towards me. Air conditioner up above my head. And then you'll see, move this chair out of the way, lots of little storage cubes that come with this unit here as well. Again, you know, this floor plan might not be for everybody, but this is a really nice unit. You definitely have to be in it and experience it here. You know, it probably looks small from the video. It's a smaller camper itself, but I really like what they did with this floor plan. So walk through into the bathroom, into bedroom. So we'll have our toilet, larger shower, spinning on around, lots of sink storage here in the bathroom. A little bit of storage down below. Decent amount of space for the medicine cabinet. And then coming on into the bedroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is show the bed, or underneath the bed storage here. So again, you can see a little bit of light coming through the bed there. So you do have more storage leading from outside to under the bed or vice versa. But a couple other storage cubes here as well. And some more information here. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more info on what comes with this unit here. Or can come with this unit here if it's not optioned with it. So queen size bed, exit window here, more windows here to let in that natural light. Hooking up a TV is going to be right behind me. And then we'll just go through the bedroom storage for clothing. This is going to run the full length of the bed here, so coming on over. Device charging outlets. And more storage for your clothing. So again, this is one of my favorite floor plans. Nothing too crazy in the bedroom here, but when you step on out, again, if it's just a couple going, walk through from your bedroom to your bathroom to your living area. Nothing too crazy, but again, I really like this floor plan a lot. I can't emphasize that enough. This is just perfect for getting into those campsites and just relaxing, because the best time for camping is coming up, that fall camping. So I wanted to get this video out right away. So that's going to do it for this video. My name's Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. All of my information is going to be in the description box down below, so feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm more than happy to help answer any questions, as well as set up an appointment with anyone who is watching this video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and more information. Again, my name's Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.